Our top selector uses the QuickPick all the time, and he's been blowing the rates out of the water with it.
My name's Matthew Hertzberg, and I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Ace Endico. We handle anything from produce to fresh seafood, frozen and dry goods. Back in 2011, we implemented voice picking software. Around the same time, we implemented the QuickPick as well.
Well, the QuickPick remote system has become extremely important for us as we've grown and our facility's gotten bigger. Anything that we can do to make it easier for our selectors to cut unproductive time is something that we want to go after.
We did see an overall increase of about 20% in our productivity.
It allows you to conserve energy. You're not continually hopping on and off the jack all night long. You could stop at over 1,000 different slots. If you're hopping on and off the jack 1,000 times, your legs are going to get tired. With using the QuickPick, it allows you to conserve your energy and walk gradually alongside the machine while you're still selecting your product. Our top selector uses the QuickPick all the time, and he's been blowing the rates out of the water with it. So I would say it's helping out greatly.